And welcome to the biggest waste of space in most people's workshop. Now, when everybody's setting up their garage, their 2-car garage, whether you have a 10-car stall garage or whatever you get to work with, and you're working on old cars, you're like, oh man, one thing I always want to get myself when I get, time and money or whatever, get myself a sandblasting cabinet, because then I can do all kinds of cool stuff. And you do all kinds of cool stuff with it for about a month, and then it sits here and becomes kind of this inverted, angled bench of crap collection. So as part of this month of cleaning up my shop, we're going to clean up the Sandblast cabinet because we actually have to use it today. Anyway, but we're going to empty out what's in it because the media that's been in it, it's been in the bottom of this bin for a couple of years, and it's humid here in Tennessee, and it's just going to be a big clump of crap. It's going to be useless. We got ourselves some new walnut shells, so hopefully they won't congeal into a big pile of goo into the bottom like this other media did. And maybe we'll even wipe it off and clean it up, and then I'm going to get rid of this thing. I mean, really, for the amount of time I use it and the space it takes up. And if anybody, you guys out there watching it after today, and you want to drive here and pick it up, let me know. I'll sell it to you, dirt ass cheap. But let's get it cleaned up, emptied out, and let's use this silly thing. All right, and if I can do this with one hand, let's see what kind of nonsense comes out of this thing. Our black oxide media. Ugh. Yeah, it all came out. Let's take a look inside the bucket. And yeah, with this black oxide, but this stuff, it's been, I did get my good use out of it, but it's like real fine powder. It's almost got no coarseness to it at all yet. It's just real fine, and you can see all the metal flake and everything else that's in it. It's just worn out. It's not abrasive anymore. So we'll dump this and get our new stuff put in the bucket, put in the bin, put in the thingy. You know what I mean. And we're replacing that media with this media. An overpriced, medium-sized bucket of crushed walnut shells. I don't know. Let's give it a shot. And here's what we're actually going to be blasting today. No, not cool vintage speed parts, because, why would I do that? No, this is a lamp. It's all going in. We'll see what we can do with all this. Okay, here we go, and it's very noisy because you got shop vac and compressor and everything on, so let's see what happens. Final thoughts? I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Maybe it's the media I bought. Maybe the nozzle on the gun thing's worn out. I replaced the pickup hose. Didn't really work that as well as it used to when I bought it, I don't know, 6-8 years ago, and it's been sitting for 5 years. Weird how it doesn't work very much like it used to when it sits for 5 years. But, like I said, and I give you a real good picture of it, I'll give somebody a smoking deal on this thing. They want to come by, pick it up. I'm not bringing it to nobody. I mean, who knows? But it needs to go. It's taking up room in the shop that I can use for something else. So, if you're interested and you can make it to just south of Nashville reliably and pick it up, the whole thing with, and I'll even throw in a color TV, a flat screen color TV. Yep, you heard me right. A free flat screen TV, Sandblast cabinet, $100. All right, come pick them up. I need them out of my shop. The TV doesn't have a remote, but it works good. Anyway, Sandblast cabinet. I'll even give you the $50 worth of media I just bought for it. You could have that too. And a TV, $100, you can pick it up. So, let me know down in the comments. And happy sandblasting to the next guy.